I appreciate that it doesn't cost our school anything and that that's an option for all Seattle public school. Without it, only the privileged student at a school that can afford it can have it. All my students get to be here today and they are learning something new today that otherwise is not possible.
There's always new things to do, which is really fun. It's super engaging for all ages to come here, really, even as adults, and being able to see them with all the really fun science materials. I'm like, I wish I had that.
It's been really fun. I love when the dinos move.
I like to explore things, and especially like the tropical butterflies. It helps you learn about nature, and it allows you to be creative.
There's something that kids can interact with and engage with to get them to learn, not only by hearing us talk about it, but also by practicing the different things.
I think science is important to help us understand things in the world around us.
Well, it's almost used for everything. Also, mistakes are important. Everyone learns.
I think it's good to learn about science because it will help prepare you for your future.
Oh my goodness, our society needed. We needed to solve problems, teaching students at a young age all the way up about critical thinking.
Funding would be really helpful for getting kids involved in science early so they grow up engaging with science in their life.
I hope everybody can get to experience the feeling of having that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.